a little night tractor in. Yeah. Let's do this. A little night tractor in. Yeah. What are you pulling?
Disc.
What's it called?
A Landau disc.
A what?
Landau.
A Landau?
Mm-hmm.
Landau 4287.
I don't know. Let me check.
What are you driving?
8270R.
8270R. And your feet still don't touch the ground, sir.
Wait 1 second.
Okay. That's funny. Who's your favorite mom?
Mommy.
Nice. Do you like driving tractor?
Yeah, especially in the dark time.
Yeah. You look pretty cool driving this down the road.
I couldn't see, so I turned my front lights on.
Was there more cars than you were thinking?
No, that's how busy that road is.
Well, you did good to wait. Why do you like it in the dark, though?
Because, look, it's cool.
What makes it cool? The noise?
No, all the lights.
Oh, okay. That is pretty cool, bud.
It's that Oscar.
What did you tell me at home when I was trying to tell you to stay home? It's too dark. You're a giant lantern out here.
Yeah, giant light. I'm a UFO. You can see me from everywhere.
Are you going to be scared when I leave?
No.
You're going to be okay in the dark?
But I want you to stay the whole time.
I can't stay the whole time.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, Mama.
That's what she said. I'm just kidding.
I don't get that one.
Good. You don't need to get that one. You know the buttons on a woman that like make them mad? How you push my buttons?
Yeah, everybody has buttons.
Yeah. So you push the wrong button, buddy. Go do your chores.
Yeah.
So Trey got a new phone, and it's just a flip phone. We're just pulling out the old T9 texting. That kind of took me a second, but it came back fast. I'm just so proud, and I don't think he should. I just don't think that he's old enough to do this.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, whatever. You know, I'm getting old. Okay, tell me again.
Guess how many gallons an acre we're doing when we're pulling the disc?
Of fuel.
Mm-hmm.
How many gallons an acre of fuel pulling the disc?
Yeah.
Per acre?
Yeah.
How many? How many?
1 second. Need to figure it out. I haven't got
Oh.
put it down yet.
I thought you. Oh, okay. I'm gonna guess 2.2. Does it do it to the decimal?
Yeah.
And how fast are you going?
6 miles an hour. We're shooting for 6
You're
miles.
shooting for 6. What was your last read?
I don't know.
Well, you were just guessing when you were telling me stuff?
No,
You were like, I'm just going to throw out a number.
it was 2 something.
2 gallons an acre?
Yeah.
That's a lot of fuel.
No, that's pretty good for a tractor.
Oh,
Usually you get about 11, like on that demo one we did, I was getting 11 gallons an acre.
why?
Because it was working. This one's...
Is this just not as...
See how many RPMs we have? We have 1,700 RPMs.
Is
And,
the
and we're doing that many gallons an acre.
2.4?
You can't see it. Go on it.
I wasn't even recording. Say that over again. Okay. We got... It was 2.4.
2.4.
Now we're at 2.7.
It bounces.
It bounces. We're bouncing at about 1,700 RPMs ish. Oh my gosh. And
Guess what?
what?
On the tractor that we demoed, that 320,
Yeah.
we're going the same speed and the same depth at 1,500 RPMs,
Okay.
and we're getting 11.5 gallons to the acre.
Hmm.
That's a lot.
That is a lot. Was it a bigger implement?
No mistakes, this one.
Oh. Is it a smaller tractor?
No, this one they put a chip in it, so it's a 320 now instead of a 270.
Oh, okay. I have about zero idea what that means.
It's a chip. It makes it.
I am just here to be pretty and comfy.
It's more. It has It makes it have more power.
Oh, okay. You gotta chip everything
Yeah.
and straight pipe everything?
Yeah.
That's illegal.
I don't care.
That's illegal.
I don't give a turkey.
You will when you get pulled over
I don't know.
from smoking people out.
But when you have this is a tractor that's 2010, so technically we can drive it with smoke coming out the stack.
Should we look that up in Utah code?
I bet you we can.
Huh?
I bet you we can. That's
Okay.
why Dad's truck can blow smoke.
I like it. I like your thinking. So 2010 truck and older.
Yep.
Okay. I'm digging this lighting. Oh my gosh. Do I have clear skin? Okay. I guess this is a tractor video, not a mom skincare routine. Okay, back to tractor. What are we doing?
Getting rid of the dikes.
Getting rid of the dikes on the ends.
So I can turn without getting the bumps.
Okay. Oh dear.
Now with the 7, we'd be cooked.
How come?
Because see how it looks? See how it has all the suspension in the front?
Okay.
On the 7 series, they don't have it.
Oh, okay.
It's rough as crap. Plus these wider wheels.
Oh my goodness.
Plus these
you're doing pretty good. Do you think you'll be able to drive back to the Red Barn?
Richard?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you want a free pot? Why not? This tractor turns sharp.
Yeah, it does.
This one's a baler tractor now.
What do you mean?
See how wide the spaced are?
Huh?
Look, see the front, how they're spaced out a little bit?
The tires?
So the center where the suspension is, so you can see where the end of the axle is.
Okay. Yeah.
And that's where the
That's what makes it a baler tractor?
yeah, because it's so wide. I picked up too early. Oopsie pickles.
That's alright. You're doing good.
And another reason this is a good baler tractor is the suspension.
Too bad we don't have a baler.
I keep telling Dad to get a baler, and he won't get a baler. I love balers. I wish this tractor could smoke.
Well, it's too dark to see the smoke anyways. If you
No,
could
I
blow
got
smoke.
lights.
Alright, dude, you gonna drop me off at this truck now?
No, we only got that much left.
Bro,
We only got one more bike, and we're done.
this is all we're doing today?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I thought you were doing the whole field.
No,
I was gonna go home and go to bed. I ain't freaking.
look, you can see the end. The camera probably can't, but I can.
That's all we're doing?
Yeah, we got one more dike. Go to that dike, and we have one more, and then we're done.
So you're just taking out dikes.
No.
What are we doing? Are you
We're
doing the whole
disking.
field?
Yes.
And we've
Because
already done it all.
Since we have this bigger disc that's 23 and a half feet long, we can get a lot more done than our old one.
Oh. Okay. That field looks a lot farther than you're telling me.
Oh crap.
Just tell me you want to be with me.
I do. There's a tree right there, and that tree is the end of the road.
Okay.
And you can't see the tree.
I can't see the tree. This field's right next to the freeway. I-15. Oh, that's, look at all those lights. Look at you out here like a little firefly.
Look, I can also, with these buttons right here, I can also do it right here. See,
Okay.
watch.
Boop. Boopity boop.
Guess what?
Chicken butt.
Dang it.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
I eat mop.
I ate my poo. It didn't click in.
I really like the GPS noises.
Me too. Sounds way better than a case. Sounds like you're playing
Whoa,
a
whoa,
shooter
whoa, whoa,
game
whoa.
in the case.
Now you're gonna be chomping on some trouble.
I don't care. I like to argue.
You'll be a good lawyer one day.
I'm never being a lawyer. I'm being a farmer. I'm being a farmer. See, look. That's the end right there. You can see it.
Have we already gone up and down it?
No. Look, you see the tree? That's the tree. And that means we're in.
great.
I wish we had a baler.
I know.
This tractor never gets the PTO used.
You're okay if I post on YouTube that you said you love me?
No, I don't care.
Huh?
Yeah, you can.
I can?
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Awesome. That's right. We already did all that other field?
Yeah.
Why am I so confused and turn around? Maybe because it's...
Here, look.
What time is it?
Let me look.
Oh, we're in sleep mode. Oh,
It's 10:31.
10:42. It is bedtime, bro. I'm sleeping in tomorrow.
Okay. Stu will come wake you up.
Probably, huh? He's been fun.
He's awesomeness.
What's been your favorite thing about summer?
Driving tractor.
Yeah.
No school.
Oh, you start... Is it next week the fair?
Yeah.
So you have one more week left?
Yeah. 1.5.
Yuck.
Yuck. I wish school was 3 months and summer was 9 months.
Yeah.
I got this tractor in Farm Simulator.
You do?
Uh-huh.
All right, now we're doing edges. And it took way longer than he said it was going to take. But we had a good time, right, buddy?
Yeah.
I would do it again. This was pretty fun.
Mom,
Look how cool the moon looks tonight.
I want a Steiger.
You want a Steiger?
Yeah.
Oh. Save up your money.
That's too much money. I want that garden tractor.
So this you have to do by hand. It's not GPS.
Yes.
Yes, it's by hand, or yes, it's GPS.
Yes, it's my
You're going old school.
Yeah. Did you know that they have some, like the newer ones, the GPS system, it will turn itself. Like you don't have to touch the steering wheel the whole field except for the edges.
Really?
Uh-huh.
How do you feel about that?
I don't like it.
How come?
Well,
You want to drive?
yeah.
You don't want to sit here?
Uh-uh.
What about the tractors that just drive themselves?
That makes me more mad.
Are you a fan?
No. Because then you can't sit in the field. I don't like it.
Looks good, bud. You got to do one more pass.
2 more. Gotta go around for 2 more times.
I'm going to go back and see how long you told me it was going to take.
It was 11:40.
It was 11:40. It wasn't been half an hour, so that wasn't too bad. All right, dude.
All
Good job, buddy. You did
Thanks.
really good. You need to put your park brake on. I'm just kidding. Okay,
Oh, it does that all the time.
you're awesome.
Okay.
Thanks for letting me ride with you.
You betcha, Mommy.
Okay, bye, bud.
Bye.
What a kid. Why do they have to get up, like grow up? So rude. Just rolled an ankle, hop in a ditch. I don't got my ditch hopping shoes on or in flip-flops. Okay, I'm so proud of him. He's getting so big.